Litecoin was created back in 2011 to be a faster version of Bitcoin, something that could be traded in smaller amounts and with a blockchain that has a mining time of 2.5 minutes instead of Bitcoin's 10 minutes. Litecoin has recently had a number of high-profile investors confirm their holdings in the cryptocurrency, and because of the way the blockchain can create new blocks quickly and at a relatively lower cost compared to Bitcoin, it could be a coin to accumulate for future uses, like using it to pay for small day-to-day items. Hey guys, James here, and in this video we'll look into how to buy Litecoin, what cryptocurrency exchanges to use for best results and lowest fees, how Litecoin is traded, Litecoin Tokenomics, and also where is best to store your Litecoin. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button for more helpful cryptocurrency content, and you can get to the section of the video you want by clicking the timestamps listed in the description. Links to the trading exchanges and other services I talk about in this video will be in the description too. So what is Litecoin? Well, the Litecoin blockchain was designed to be faster and lower cost than Bitcoin. It actually took the code of Bitcoin and altered it to make the blockchain faster and also technically a little bit less secure. Like Bitcoin, there's a capped supply of Litecoin. I like coins like this because having a capped supply means that at some point there are going to be no more coins created. So if demand keeps steady as the crypto industry in general gets more inflows of capital, it should feed through to a solid base of support for value of the cryptocurrency. There are of course many other factors involved though. Litecoin is, like Bitcoin, a proof of work blockchain. This means that computers try to mine new blocks in the chain and get rewarded with new Litecoin, but these calculations aren't as resource heavy as Bitcoin. Many people think that Litecoin can be used more as an actual currency to buy day-to-day items due to its lower cost, rather than Bitcoin that has become more of a store of value. Others refer to Litecoin as silver to Bitcoin's gold. Litecoin has very good trading support. The largest exchanges that support Litecoin trading are Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken, which are the top 3 trading venues in the world by trading volumes. I'll put the links to each of those exchanges in the description. If you don't have an account yet, you can click the link to go through and sign up. And I'll link tutorial videos in the description for you as well if you need help with those trading exchanges. Binance has by far the largest trading volume of Litecoin by a factor of almost 2 compared to that of the next exchange. You'll be paying around a 0.1% fee or less for trading on the Binance platform, which is amongst the lowest around. The biggest trading pairs of Litecoin are Litecoin against US dollar Tether, Litecoin Bitcoin, and Litecoin against BUSD, which is Binance's US dollar stablecoin. Both USD and Binance USD are USD stablecoins, meaning that most people trade Litecoin against a US dollar value. Also, I want to add that apart from the usual cryptocurrency exchanges supporting Litecoin, PayPal now plans to support using Litecoin as a payment method, which is a massive deal as vendors on the system can now accept Litecoin as payment for goods and services. As Litecoin is a proof of work blockchain similar to Bitcoin, it can't be staked. Staking is a process that allows holders to put up their coins as collateral whilst participating in creating new blocks of transactions in the blockchain. It allows holders of a crypto to earn income and rewards on their holdings. Staking is a big advantage of proof of stake blockchains and a downside of holding something like Bitcoin or Litecoin, as they can't act as an asset that can generate an income, but rather as a store of value. However, clever people get around this drawback by creating wrapped versions of the coins. A wrapped coin is a derivative product, so wrapped Bitcoin is a standalone asset that takes its value from Bitcoin. But it's built on the Ethereum network and allows for staking and returns to be generated. As of right now, there is no wrapped Litecoin, although plans are there to produce such a coin, enabling users to purchase this and generate income and rewards. Plans for this have been announced by Tron Network, so be on the lookout for that one. Also, because Litecoin is built on its own blockchain, it doesn't have support for swaps on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. In the future though, if wrapped Litecoin exists, this could be the case. As of making this video, Litecoin has a market cap of $15 billion, ranked at number 8 amongst all cryptocurrencies with a supply cap of 840 million tokens and a circulation currently of 66.5 million. The current price is $217 per Litecoin. So let's come and see exactly how we can trade Litecoin against some other currencies. I'm going to come onto my Binance trading account right here. But like I said, most trading exchanges do support trading of Litecoin. If you don't have a Binance trading account yet, I'll leave that link in the description. You can go through and sign up. And if you need help signing up, I do have those tutorials. I'll link them as well below. So first thing, let's come to the advanced trading features of Binance and see what markets are supported on Binance. This may be different for Binance US because Binance and Binance US are slightly different, but Litecoin has very good trading overall. So we're going to come to fiat markets and actually see what markets are against Litecoin. So we'll type LTC right here. You can actually see a few things. You have LTC down and LTC up. These are actually ways that you can trade leveraged Litecoin. So instead of just buying Litecoin, these are actually some leveraged trading options. LTC down is a way for you to benefit if the price of Litecoin goes down. Shorting cryptocurrencies is pretty difficult, especially for retail traders, but you can actually buy an LTC down. So if we went through and actually bought an LTC down, we could benefit whenever the price of LTC falls. So when the price of Litecoin goes down, the price of LTC down will go up. It's an inverse reaction. So you can buy these and benefit when Litecoin falls in value. It's a little bit risky and it's actually leveraged as well. Leveraged means the price moves more than the actual price. So you can see it's leveraged 3 times. That means that if the Litecoin price moves by 1%, the LTC down will move by 3%. It's leveraged 3 times. It is pretty risky, so I wouldn't recommend it too much. Litecoin up is the exact opposite. You benefit when the price of Litecoin goes up, but again, it's leveraged 3 times, or I think it's 2 times here. So if you want to buy a Litecoin, you think it's going up, you can leverage your position. So when Litecoin goes up 1%, this will go up 3 times. The price, of course, though, will be way more volatile. You can benefit more, but you can also lose more as well because that's leveraged. Let's come back to Litecoin. So we can see the markets on Binance. You have USDT, so Litecoin against US dollar Tether. Binance USD, it's the same thing. It's a US dollar stablecoin. You can trade Litecoin against BNB. BTC markets, Ethereum markets, and there's even a Euro market down here. Let's just trade Litecoin against US dollar Tether. So this is a stablecoin. For most altcoins, the best way to trade is to use US dollar Tether or Binance US dollar if you're on Binance. This will give you a base currency or a stable coin to pretty much trade against any other altcoin. Most altcoins will support trading against USDT, and on Binance, probably BUSD as well. If you're wondering how to get hold of US dollar Tether or Binance US dollar, you can go into your account and trade these against fiat currencies. So on Binance anyway, you can come down to fiat currencies and then type in a fiat currency that you want to trade. So if I have GBP, I can trade GBP against US dollar first. So I can actually sell GBP that I have on account, go and get that US dollar Tether first. Then once you have either US dollar Tether or Binance coin or BUSD on account, you can then go through and actually trade it against Litecoin. Let's choose the Litecoin US dollar Tether market as we had before then. Before I trade, I'll always look at trading volumes, not just the price. Litecoin is moving quite well at the moment, but I can see that volumes are trading off a little bit. As of making this video, volumes were really high, the highest they've ever been really around this period, but volumes are tailing off. When volumes do tail off, you might get some more strange price movements, but at the moment, Litecoin is trading pretty steadily. Next, we need to put a limit order in if we want to go ahead and buy some Litecoin. So I'll go to the buy option here and then choose a limit order. With a limit order, I can choose the amount that I want to trade and the price that I want to trade at. I'll then come down here and see the price that Litecoin is trading at. So 223.22, and it's moving around. So I can actually change this myself. So I'm going to move this to 222.5 like this. Now this is slightly under the current market price, which is fine for me because I want to get some cryptocurrency a little bit cheaper than it's currently trading at. I want to show my order here and hope that the price of Litecoin is moving up and down a little bit and I get some cryptocurrency a little bit cheaper than having to pay up for these sellers on the book here. These people right here are trying to sell Litecoin and they've already shown me their order, but they want 223 and I don't want to take that. So I'm going to come down here, put my bid on the system at 222.5 and see if some sellers are willing to sell me their stock a little bit cheaper throughout the day. Next, all you have to do is choose the amount of Litecoin that you want to buy. So just put 1 in here. Now, I'm not logged in on this browser because this is for a screen recording, but if I was, then it would give me the option to input the order here. And what you can do is make a slider as well. So let's say you had US dollar Tether on account. Let's say you had $100. You could use this slider and slide this up to 50%. So that would mean your trade would be $50. And then you could limit how much you're actually spending of US dollar Tether to get an amount of Litecoin. And of course, the amount of Litecoin would change as well. If you want some way more in-depth tutorials about trading cryptocurrencies and how to put orders onto systems, I have specific videos about that go into really great detail. I'll link them in the description if you need more help. For now though, to buy Litecoin, just make sure that you have the right cryptocurrency. If you can't trade Litecoin against a fiat currency, definitely change it into US dollar Tether, Binance coin on Binance, BUSD, or if you're using Coinbase, you can transfer it into USDC. That's Coinbase's US dollar stablecoin. Virtually all mobile wallets support Litecoin, including Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, Coinomi, Exodus Wallet, and many, many more. Litecoin has extremely good support thanks to it being up in the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap for a very long time. In terms of hardware wallet support, both Trezor One and Trezor Model T support Litecoin. If you do want a hardware wallet, I'd recommend one of those, and I'll put the link to those below, including videos on the best software and hardware wallets and why you might want to use them. Using a Trezor hardware wallet though will enable you to safely store your Litecoin offline, meaning you can be almost certain it won't get hacked. It does take a learning curve and a little more work to set up, but well worth the investment if you are looking to invest in Litecoin and other cryptocurrencies long term. That's the basics though of buying Litecoin. Links to all of the exchanges and wallets that I mentioned in this video are listed in the description for you. Make sure to like the video if you got this far and subscribe for more helpful cryptocurrency content, and I'll see you in the next one.